Subaru Legacy check engine light diagnosis. It's got engine codes for cylinder number 1 and cylinder number 4 misfire. So far I have taken the spark plug and the ignition coil out of 1 and moved it to 3, so I swapped them to see if the misfire would move from 1 to 3. It didn't change. We still have a cylinder number 1 misfire. I took the timing belt inspection covers off right here and checked the timing belt, since the customer said that they smelt burning rubber when the engine started to check engine light came on. But the belt seems to be in good condition and it's tight. Doesn't mean it didn't skip or anything like that. The next step is we're going to check the compression. And we should see a minimum of 100 psi for the cylinder to be functional. Normally 150 would be a good new compression test. So let's crank it and see what we get out of the compression. Okay. And we've got 0 or 5 psi. So that means that cylinder is dead. It has no compression. So this thing has major internal engine damage. Either the timing belt slipped and it bent a valve, the timing's off, one or the other. It'll have to be torn apart and diagnosed further.